Did we modify the AI team? We have to modify the AI team according to something.
Yeah, let's
right?
do a team reveal.
Okay, I will do a team reveal for my son's team. He came and told me to create one for him, and he picked up the players. So I have that open here.
Share?
Okay.
Teach
You
them
see?
young, right? Ooh. Okay.
Spicy. I like it.
I like his team, really.
So
I can't find one player in the team that is bad. You have James, you have Barnes, you have Castagna, you have Konsa, Saiz. It's a really good team. I'm taking a screenshot of this.
I don't see James. I see Reece James, but not James. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. This is the problem. This guy is named James, and I didn't look at the jersey, so I thought it was James. Okay.
no, he wanted to have United players. So after that, picking up.
In his fan league, he's a Leeds fan.
He's a Leeds fan, yeah. He's actually doing what do you call this on FIFA 20? He's actually doing a
Leeds
season
career. Okay.
career option with Leeds.
I
So
think
he's bringing up Leeds.
I think he is leaning heavily onto the fact that he's your only son, so you wouldn't disown him for being a Leeds fan. But yeah, more power.
I was going to say that. So.
He's too young. I told him I will show you a documentary where everything will change, So let him enjoy the fact of being without rivalries. So.
But
yes,
honestly, I do like this side. I like the side going forward as well because Castagna, Barnes, Reece James, that bench almost is a playing 11 for most FPL sides.
Yes, right? Yes. He except for even McCarthy, right? So you can play the basically the bench boost anytime now.
Yeah.
Everyone's going to give you points. Every time I look at my team, no one from the bench can come in. Yeah, I sometimes curse FPL for not having $4 million and 3.5 million pound strikers. Because I have to pick at least a 4.5 midfielder and a 4.5 striker who's not going to play and get me 0 points. So
I think Junior Wilson has to take a real strong look at whether or not Reece James needs to sit at the bench. I think he can play instead of Harrison. Might be giving you more points on the overall for the match game week, right? So, yeah. But what do I know?
I will have a word with him.
Yeah. Actually, you should have several strong words about that Leeds affiliation, but yeah.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I think he's pretty aggressive in his team pick. I like it.
Yeah,
it's differentials all the way through. Frontline
Correct.
looks really solid actually. Kane, Lewin, and Werner has to score at some point. So I think it's high firepower on the front. Midfield is a form midfield. I think Fernandes and Greenwood do combine well this game. At least that's a hope. So this is a pretty good side. It's a pretty damn good side. I'm impressed.
Yes.
Did he take hits to get this going, or is he on a wild card?
He actually, this is his first week, so he actually
okay.
told me to create, so you can see no points, nothing. So he just told me he wants to join because of our podcast and all these things. So he said he wants to join and make me a team. So I just made it, and then he was like, "Okay, pick this." And I said, "You have only 100 million, okay? So you have to be really picking your not cherry pick."
No, he's done a good job of picking these people in 100 million based on just a couple of games.
Yeah, actually, I was surprised. So mostly I will copy his front line, So
yeah,
these three, mostly I am going very tempted to copy that.
I actually like his back line more than front line. Saiz, Konsa, and Robertson is amazing. See that.
And Reece James is sitting in the.
Thing is, see, Kane and Calvert-Lewin, everybody will have, right? So your only differential against your.
Even Werner, everyone has. Everyone has. Yeah.
Saiz, Konsa, and Robertson. If at least one of them click and give you a clean sheet, Robertson will definitely give an assist. Between Konsa and Saiz, right? So and Martinez. So I think his defense is drop solid. If you look at our ML team, right, it sucks. Yeah. ML team defense sucks big time. So let me share my screen.
So the reason ML team is doing well is because it's been the leakiest start to the season. There's been very few this thing. So if you have that's what I have gone for now. I've gone for a weak defense, but a lot of goal scoring options up front.
Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Yeah.
So ML just picked on all the high players. So last time it said Oba, Son, and Calvert-Lewin, Kane. So they all scored big time, but others are not contributing anything, right?
Yeah.
So
I think Soucek has been a real disappointment. I was hoping for some free points coming that way.
I made a mistake. I should have just put Foden there.
Soucek
so
really,
Foden comes in here. I'm going to ship out Oba, and then defense will have to completely, like I have to take a -12. I have to revamp this whole defense.
Doherty can stay.
No, Doherty can stay.
It's actually AI team, right?
Yeah, AI team.
So okay, maybe we can choose the team even now.
Yeah, okay, let's go for it.
You already taken 4 transfers, man. Oh, that's last week. Okay, I'm sorry.
That's last week.
Okay.
So as I said, whatever the AI says, I'm blindly changing it. This team is not mine. This is the AI's team.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. That makes sense, right? So
I mean, do that accordingly.
So this time, if you see, AI said.
Don't do anything in the goal, though.
Why? You think
because you only have one free one. You can only have one free transfer, don't you? You can only do one pick from this, or are you changing the entire team?
Go -12. Don't worry. Go complete.
No, let's not do -12s with the AI team. Let's go -8 maximum, right? So.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then.
Ship
Vardy,
out
Kane, and
Cornell.
Lewin stays, right?
Yeah, of course.
Do you want to remove Vardy and get Jimenez?
Vardy has a bad game.
I would do that.
But
I would do the Vardy Jimenez because of the fact that Jimenez has very good. But again, keep in mind you can only do so many.
Right. So I did
now
that.
how much you have to do, right? So if you have to do one more, then go for the back line and get someone. Get a Robertson or a what does it says Robertson, right? Or a Van Dijk or a.
Why don't you just bump up Harrison to Zaha instead? Can it be done?
Oh, you can do that too.
We need defenders because Luis is injured.
Okay.
Egan is out. So we have to remove at least get one.
Actually, you don't need to change Egan. You can leave Egan there and switch Soucek and Oba.
Yeah, you can play 3 at the back.
Yeah, you can still have the 3 at the back. So change Oba to KDB.
What did our KDB was the last one in our pick. So go to
the pick suggests Sterling more than KDB actually.
Yeah, so let's go to KDB. Let's go to Sterling. So at least we will know where we went wrong.
Yeah. So
it's more like jinx Sterling. Let him not score those goals. And
7.4.
Yeah, so I think Zaha comes in.
Yeah,
but I would bring in Zaha. But what does this AI say?
AI has all expensive midfielders, I guess, all 11.5 and above. I don't think they had any.
No, then let me ask you this question then. Do we have to 4-3-3 LI? Why are we making a -8?
No, it's a 3-4-3. It's not a 4-3-3. So it will be Doherty, O'Connell, Ward.
Yeah.
And instead of Harrison, Sterling, Foden, Son, and Zaha, and then 3 forward. 3-4-3.
3-4-3.
No, if you play Harrison, my question is, if you play Harrison.
I'm not playing Harrison. It will be 3-4-3. So
I understood. Hear me out. So my point is, if you bench Harrison and play Zaha, you have to be confident that Zaha gives you that additional 4 points which Harrison doesn't give you to do this -4. So if Zaha has to give you minimum 4 plus 4 will just negate this what you did. So he has to give you 4 plus to make sense. So that is my whole point. And ML has not suggested Zaha. So why don't you just retain Soucek for one more game and then take a -4 and then try with it.
So you're saying play with Sterling, Harrison.
Yeah, this is a good 4. Yeah, that's a good 4.
Yeah.
So
you're right. Why to take a -4, correct? And then
So
Ward, O'Connell, Doherty plays. And
if you have to do a -4, then you have another -4, then you go for Egan because Egan's price is going to drop. People are going to ship him out. So you're going to get a 4.9, but you have 2.4
let me look
million
at
sitting in
defenders.
there.
So
who is the captain
defenders,
now?
they said, defenders
If you
probably, I think. Yeah, let me do that. Let me take Egan out and take Robertson.
You can do that next week as well. So again, I am not very keen on doing that -8 right now. -8 right now. So
Yeah, I mean,
there is no point because you're not going to use him. So let him be.
No,
Let's
see,
help the
if you dump Egan, bring in Robertson, I think that firms up the back line. It gets rid of a player who's going to drop in value. At the same time, it's -8 on an ML experiment. I don't mind.
Yeah.
So
Bala, you are the -12 guy, so you will never mind. This makes you feel normal. This why is he hesitating?
Yeah, seriously. No, but
so every time I do a differential
I actually wanted to ship out a goalkeeper, so that's why I was saying,
I think we ship out goalkeepers on a wildcard weekend rather than wasting a transfer. But you're already
not on goalkeepers don't make sense on non wildcard. So let's just go with it. Anyways, your number 2 goalkeeper there is number 1 goalkeeper there is Kepa. So MI has really got that wrong. So I keep saying MI. I don't know why. It's ML or AI.
ML or AI. Yeah.
It's mission impossible getting the right score.
Yeah, I know. That is why I think it's just you're all middle-aged. The moment it is 2 letters starting with M, it's always MI.
So Lewis will play.
Egan versus Doherty. Yeah, you don't even have to make that switch automatically. You get that though.
Yeah, and then
put Souček as your number 1.
Who was your highest scoring player as per ML? I think that has to be our captain, right? Was it Sterling or was it?
Yeah, so ML said Salah actually.
No, that's fine. But let's
ML said Salah, but
so I think
amongst our players, it's
5.66 Sterling.
Sterling at 5.66.
Raheem Sterling.
Yeah. So
Sterling's
captain is Sterling.
Yeah. Yeah. And vice captain is Kane, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just switch the captain, vice captain.
Yeah.
But why?
Yeah, it doesn't really Sterling is captain now.
Huh?
Can you see?
Yeah.
Sterling is the captain, Kane vice captain. Good to go.
But where does it say in the AI list? Where does it say that this should be the captain?
No, just going by the number of points they give.
Just go with the highest points that you have that AI is suggesting, right? So AI is saying that the highest scoring mid is going to be Salah, and you have Salah, then Salah becomes your captain, right?
But remember, Shabrish, in the first week, നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു സ്പെസിഫിക് ആയിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നല്ലോ ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ ആരാണ്.
അതിലുണ്ട്. സോ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ ഇതില് ഇവര് ഒരു 2 സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. ഒരു സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റിൽ പറയുന്നത് predict ആണ്. Predict. വേറൊന്നില് there is something called as fine tune where they'll predict the whole team based on your current score. അപ്പോൾ let me show you the code. It makes more sense.
But does it take your current team into account and?
Yes, it takes my current team into account.
Okay.
So ഇതിലിപ്പോൾ റൺ ഓപ്റ്റിമൈസേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് പരിപാടി ഉണ്ട്. ഇത് റൺ ചെയ്തിട്ട് റൺ പ്രഡിക്ഷൻ റൺ ചെയ്താൽ ഈ സ്കോർസ് കാണിക്കും. ഇനി ഞാൻ റൺ ഓപ്റ്റിമൈസേഷൻ റൺ ചെയ്താൽ മോസ്റ്റ്ലി ദിസ് വിൽ കം അപ്പ് ആൻഡ് സേ ബേസ്ഡ് ഓൺ മൈ ടീം ഹൗ ഡസ് ഇറ്റ് ലുക്ക് ലൈക്ക്. Yeah, then this is because open source.
Oh, it's coming up now?
No. This is, I have to look at the code again. This is something they have changed a lot. No predicted database. Okay.
ഇതിന്റെ പേരേ ശരിയില്ല. Arsenal.
വെറുതെ ആര് പിടിച്ച് നടക്കുന്ന അൽഗോരിതം ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
I'll show you the cool thing here. So
കഥകൾ 2-3 തവണ തട്ടി തുടങ്ങി കഴിഞ്ഞു.
They store all this data of all the players for that many years, right? So, the player prediction nulla database load aya matra we can run the that captain pick and all. Otherwise, currently it only has fixture and the list or FIFA rating and player score and all that. So I have to reload everything now because our session die out and miniyannalla running.
മറ്റൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിൽ
വേറൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിൽ ഇത് കാണിക്കാൻ
ഇതിന്റെ നോളജ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ തരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ കേട്ടല്ലോ എല്ലാവരും ഇപ്രാവശ്യത്തെ FPL അനലിസ്റ്റ് എന്താ പറയണമെന്ന്. സോ താങ്ക് യു വത്സൻ, താങ്ക് യു ശ്രീജിത്ത്, താങ്ക് യു ബാല ഫോർ ജോയിനിങ് ദിസ് അനാലിസിസ് കോൾ. So hopefully we'll see what our team does based on this. എന്തെങ്കിലും കമന്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞങ്ങളുടെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഇടാം. And then if you have any team and then if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. അങ്ങനെ ടീമിനെ കൊത്തി കൊളന്നോണ്ടി തരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. Okay.
Next time we'll try to make it more earlier.
Right.
Yeah, join our league, right? League
yeah, also join our
first video
podcast league. We'll give you the link in the descriptions. We already have more than 25 members in that, so we welcome more. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Bye.
Yeah. Please like and subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe.
Like, yes. Share and subscribe for more exclusive Arun Valsan content. അത് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇപ്പം സബ്സ്ക്രൈബർ കോഡ് അടിച്ചു ഒരു രക്ഷയില്ല.